Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5064081 or KB5064401 because of this error code, that is 0x80070005, or if you are receiving this error, that is 0x80240008 or 0x80070020. So if you are receiving one of these errors, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So when you receive this error, you click on retry. So try to retry multiple times. So just hit retry, or you can click on retry all and then check. If that does not work, simply restart your computer once. And after the system restart, you can retry all, or you can click on check for update and install it. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now find Windows update, make a double click on Windows update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now you can try to update. Still not working. The next step is to pause and restart the update. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to Windows update, and then first of all you can restart your computer, and then if you see the pause option, even if you see retry option, all that, if you see the error, just pause the updates, hit pause over here. And once pause, this process may take some time, and then resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run sfc and dsm command. Now for this, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run this as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5064081, this is 4081, and click on search. Now you can check what kind of system you have, which version you have, WINVER in Windows search box, and then click on WinVer over here. For me it's version 24H2, and you have to check what kind of system you have. So you can go to system and then go to about option over here, and here you can see 64-bit, so it's version 24H2. So for me it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. So you have to select as per your system and version. Now click on download, and once you on this screen, click on the update, that is KB5064081, and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. Just follow the on-screen instruction. Once it is complete, click on it and just follow the instruction, and then once done, restart your computer, and then you can check. You can do the same thing with the other update. Now still not working. The next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option over here, and then go to recovery option, and over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, now you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see the screen. Click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, and then select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once done, now click on finish option. Once you hit finish, let this close automatically, and then go to desktop and then make a double click on Windows ISO file and then run Windows ISO file, and then you will see setup file. Make a double click and run setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next over here and then click on accept over here. And by default here you can see the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error code. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.